Hi, everyone. The Dotfather welcomes you to this episode. We will be talking about Tether's decision to launch USDT on Polkadot's Kusama network. We're going to talk about why and what exactly is Kusama, understand really the competition, also the reason why Kusama is here to be for Web3, and understand its economic ramifications. So again, thank you so much for your time and being here. And let's dive straight in. So Tether decided to launch its USDT token in its 10th blockchain choice. Okay, so they've been already in Ethereum, they've been in Solana, Avalanche, Algorand, and now they are going inside of Kusama. There's a very important highlight that we want to talk about, and this is the quote from the CTO of USDT saying, "For those who believe in the importance of the decentralized permissionless ecosystems, Kusama," and here obviously Polkadot, "is a perfect representation of that ethos. It is a platform built to put the control in the hands of its users, and we are looking forward to becoming an essential asset in its growing ecosystem." And so Kusama and Polkadot are probably, they're taking a very long time to develop. If we look at the charts from a development standpoint, they have the second highest developer community out of the entire crypto ecosystem. And yet it's still slow in its ushering in of Web3 and decentralization. And that's because it's very complicated. And what exactly is Web3, right? This is exactly what they're going to talk about. Now, just as a side note here, I think it's ironic. I think it's even funny that USDT tries to launch on a very decentralized platform, because that's exactly what it is. And USDT is not really decentralized. There's a lot of problems, regulations, legal issues. Are they really backing it up with the amount of dollars that they have in the bank account? There's a lot of problems or controversial issues with USDT. And I think it's ironic that a very centralized and almost corrupt organization like USDT is going into completely decentralized ecosystems like Kusama and Polkadot. But let's see exactly where that goes. So from this point forward, Kusama and Polkadot, in my opinion, is going to be the true representation of Web3 itself. I was at a crypto conference around my area where we had a bunch of leaders, a bunch of people who are in the space talking about what kind of layer ones or what kind of layer twos, which ecosystems is going to win. Are we talking about DeFi? Are we talking about NFTs? What exactly is Web3? And so interestingly enough, Kusama and Polkadot are taking this a step further. Web3 is not necessarily decentralized finance. It's not only NFTs or whatnot. It's putting everything decentralized on the blockchain. And we're going to talk about passports, identity. We're going to talk about crypto countries. This is where Kusama and Polkadot are going to be ushering in this new world. And this is why I am so excited about the next couple of years, 5 years, 10 years, for this multi-chain future. And so Tether adding just 50 billion only in 2021 in the crypto ecosystem is massive. And so they have a total market capitalization of 80 billion, which brings a lot of liquidity to the Kusama ecosystem. They're going to start only in statement. This is the first common good parachain. This is just for people to go ahead and use Kusama with lower fees, transfer tokens, NFTs, artwork, whatever that may be, as its structure. And so now what we're going to see is a lot of liquidity. Now, something interesting regarding competition economically, right? And this is why you should care, is that USDT will actually be competing with the AUSD. This is the Akala US dollar that they created. Or the KUSD. This is the Karura, the sister blockchain. I think that's more relevant because Karura is on the Kusama and Akala is on Polkadot. So they will be competing, and we'll see. I think it'll be interesting to see exactly how the different rates regarding the different liquidity pools play along. But definitely exciting news, right? The more liquidity, the more stable coins, the better it is, the better competition, the better value and innovation. And so, yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Just so you know, as a fun fact, Kusama is a canary in the coal mine blockchain. Just for first timers here, this is an exact replica of the Polkadot ecosystem or the Polkadot blockchain, but it's meant for chaos. It's meant for experimentation. So every single project that goes on Kusama will eventually go into the conservative, more enterprise Polkadot. And so Kusama was inspired by the artist Kusama. And this is a lot of the chaos, the art, the experimentation. A lot of it comes from Kusama. And yeah, look forward to what will be happening with liquidity pools, with DeFi, maybe with NFTs, when USDT actually comes and moves ahead of statement and goes into the other parachains like Karura once the XCM upgrade actually happens. So once Kusama and Polkadot will be able to communicate with each other after the XCM v3 upgrade, hopefully this is where we'll see the actual value of those ecosystems. So for now, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.